let's make a spray cleaner. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we're going to make a spray cleaner that doesn't leave a residue. This is really cool and super easy to make. Anybody can do this. Now I did make a spray cleaner before. If you want to see that video, just click the eye in the sky. It'll take you to the day where I made the spray cleaner. However, the one thing I will say about that spray cleaner is it can leave a residue. And you'll notice this sometimes if you don't wipe it up completely, the next time something wet touches it, it will foam up, like there's still soap there. That happens. This does not leave a residue because it's so easy. What is it? Rubbing alcohol. Now, there are a couple ways to do this. You can do this using 50% rubbing alcohol, 50% water. I personally like to use straight rubbing alcohol into a spray bottle. Put the top on. The very next thing you want to do is label this. Now, once you've done this, you're asking, well, what do you use it for? I use it for everything from cleaning glass, really works really well. I use a microfiber cloth, clean my glass. I use it to polish up my faucets, clean my sink, clean off anything which is dirty. This is the most universal spray cleaner. However, I will give you these warnings. The big warning is always test it on something that before you use it there. So if I were going to use this on this wood, here's some things to remember. If you have really good wood, don't spray rubbing alcohol on it. Not a good idea. But if you have a surface like stainless steel, works really well with stainless steel. My refrigerator, clean that off with. This also works as, of course, a disinfectant because it is isopropyl alcohol, which of course is commonly known as rubbing alcohol. But stressing, please test this on things, little spots where people won't notice before you use it on the entire thing. Now, some of you are saying, I don't like the smell. Well, the smell does dissipate quite quickly. Now, if I were going to spray it, well, when I do spray it, into an enclosed space like my shower, my tub, I always have the fan going so that way it takes any of the smell away and I don't have to worry about you guys getting overcome by, I don't think you can get overcome by rubbing alcohol fumes, but I just want to be safe here. So this really is a great spray cleaner. Use it lots of places. It does disinfect. I love this, and it leaves no residue. Now you're saying, have I abandoned my other spray cleaner? No, I haven't, because actually there are times when I really do want to just, wash the surface down, and the other spray cleaner works really well for doing that. But this is my new favorite. You can use it on so many different things. Leaves no residue, so yeah, I use both of them. Well, what about you? What do you use? Let me know down in the comments. Remember, if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and also ring that bell so that way you get notifications when I do new videos. This is one of those cool things that I think I'll be using all the time now with this combination because, well, it's spring cleaning time and I want to get all the spring cleaning done. So I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you and I hope I get to see you again next time.